The new Aroon up and down indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can conveniently download this indicator file for both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. To learn more about how it functions and how to use it properly, they can simply refer to this page for further information. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, an oscillator window appears at the bottom of the chart, and buy and sell signals are generated. The new Aroon up and down indicator is a very special, unique, and highly practical tool that not only shows, displays, and reveals the trend direction and its strength, but also ultimately generates buy and sell signals for traders and investors. In the oscillator window, we can carefully monitor and observe the trend strength over time. Here, I change the color of the oscillator line from yellow to blue, making it more visually distinct, and set its size to 2, so now we can clearly see the oscillator line on the chart. The higher the value of the oscillator line, the stronger and more powerful the trend, and the lower this value, the weaker and less significant the trend in the market. Also, buy and sell signals are generated and displayed on the chart, and these signals are based on the Aroon indicator. The Aroon indicator itself has 2 lines, an up line and a down line. When the up line is above the down line, it indicates a bullish trend, and when the down line is above the up line, it signals a bearish trend. When these 2 lines cross each other, signals are generated and shown on the chart. Here, we see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows, and when the down line of the Aroon indicator crosses the up line upwards, a sell signal is generated for us. In the oscillator section, we can also analyze and evaluate the trend strength. Here we see that when a signal is generated and the price is making higher highs and higher lows, indicating an uptrend, when buy signals are generated, we can enter a buy position in the market and, with the increasing trend strength, gain a good profit from the market. In the settings section, under inputs, there are several options available. In the first input, we can specify the period length for the indicator, and in the next parameter, we can enable or disable the display of buy and sell signals. The Aroon indicator is a valuable tool for identifying the strength and direction of trends, and by using its signals in combination with price action, traders can make more informed decisions. Monitoring the oscillator line and understanding the relationship between the up and down lines can help traders spot potential entry and exit points. By adjusting the settings, such as the period length and signal display, users can customize the indicator to better fit their trading strategy and preferences. Overall, the new Aroon up and down indicator provides a comprehensive view of market trends and can be a useful addition to any trader's toolkit. In the next parameter, we can choose the size of these signals from 1 to 5. In the following parameter, we can change the color of the up and down signals to any color we like. And in the next section, we can enable or disable the alert notification when signals are generated. By default, this option is disabled, and if the alert parameter is set to false, the following options are also not functional. However, by enabling the alert option and setting it to true, we can receive alerts when signals are generated. In the next parameter, you can also enable or disable the option to receive alerts as on-screen messages. In this next section, you can enable or disable the option to send alerts to your mailbox. By enabling this option, you need to have already completed the email settings in the Tools tab under Options. In the next input, you can also enable or disable the option to send alerts as sound, and in the following input, you can select the sound alert file here. Finally, in the last input, you can choose the maximum number of candles to display signals and the oscillator on the chart. By default, this is set to 1000 candles, meaning it will review and display the oscillator and signals from the last candle going back 1000 candles. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.